Racing just is started. Well, that's my way. Came out of the gate a little bit late. We have Spice Mistress. Break quickly at the start. Moving a party outside my little Grace. Not only inside the Skyline Pigeon. Moving a party outside just enough. Jack Showking in the middle. Then next on Lenny's classical beat. Not only inside now is That's My Way. And going along for the first turn. We have entry number 4, Spice Mistress, by about 3 lengths. And in second, Skyline Pigeon. And on the outside, My Little Grace. Then down on the inside now is That's My Way. Jack Showking comes next, Just and Up. And a classical beat, then followed over by Dragon May. While entry number 5, Best Art. Now racing in less. And on the fourth turn, we have Spice Mistress, by the length. And in second, Skyline Pigeon. Then next on Lenny's That's My Way, Jack Showking. Moving a party outside now is My Little Grace.
Alright, it seems that nagkaroon ng problema yung audio ng ating track announcer at this moment. Bandera Spice Mistress, tabing balya naman po. Itong Skyline Pigeon, 100 meters to go. It's still Spice Mistress. Okay, so yan po. 4-6, 3, tapos 8 and 2. Yun ang narinig natin, ha? Spice